Hey guys, I'm here at the International Women's Day in Luton and I'm about to go on. They're doing the raffle, so I just thought I'd say a quick hello. Those of you who didn't get to come down, this has been an inspiring time this year. It's grown, the event's grown since last year. This is our second year and it's just amazing, and it just goes to show what you can do when you come together in your community. So guys, it is about community, it's about families coming together with community to make a community and really build what we have. So let me encourage you today. Be encouraged that it's one by one. You can't do everything on your own, but we need each other. So find someone that you can work with, someone that you trust, someone that you can rely on, and build something. Let's do this. Let's make this world a better place. It's far too corrupt and all these kind of things. We don't need that. We just need to come together in unity. As the good book says, one can chase 1,000, but two can put 10,000 to flight. So let's get the 10,000 and more so, and let's just build what we have. So I'm about to go on, so I'll see you after the break. Take care.